everyone. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to add a text box in Google Doc. Let's begin. First, open your Google Doc. Now you can see here insert option. Go on insert and you can see here drawing option. On drawing and click on new. You can see here a drawing interface is open. Now you can see here a text box. Click on text box. Click on text box and now select the drag and select the area you want to choose for a text box. Now enter anything here. You can resize it according to you, and you can also change the fonts, anything. Now just click on save and close. You can see here a text box. You can also resize and rotate this text box anytime, and also you can do size and rotation, width, height, with scale, height scale, rotation. You can do as well text wrapping. Can do position of the text, move with text, and fix position on page. All these things. I hope you find this video very useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.